Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. So Solana is now at the top of the local trading range at around $162. Haven't broken it yet, but this is sort of this trend line we talked about. Looks even a little bit like maybe even an inverse head and shoulders pattern here for anybody who likes these kinds of patterns. But yeah, it's very close to breaking out, but we haven't broken that line yet. So as you know, I've been highlighting to you that there is a chance that the wave 2 bottomed already. That's our green wave count. In this case, it would have bottomed in September and we're already moving up. But the problem is this structure isn't an impulse, so it has to be a diagonal pattern. So let me take you through the patterns again and the structures, short-term bullish and short-term bearish. Whereas I'm still overall looking for higher, either in the yellow count or the green count, as long as we're holding above support. Because for me, this support zone is the key pivot that helps us distinguish between bullish momentum, whether that's a direct breakout or another support test and then go up. Doesn't matter so much in the short term. It's noise, literally, when looking at it as a range. But overall, as long as we're holding support, the focus can be on higher, whereas a break below 119 would confirm that we're heading down lower as per the blue count, which would be an extension of the fourth wave that presumably bottomed on the 5th of August. So in the alternative count, the wave 4 is still unfolding, but would require evidence like a break below the range boundaries. So we're holding that range at the moment, and we are pushing against the ceiling. Yeah, and the 160, let's say 161, 162 level is the breakout point, but I need to see a sustained break. Okay, so if we get a sustained break above, then the next move up could take us to the next key resistance around $183, which is the top of the larger range. Let me zoom out a little bit further. Top of the larger range in which Solana has been moving since March. So we're tracking a range in a range essentially. You can see that here. We clearly have resistance around that $161, $162 level, but there hasn't really been a breakout yet. So if we get that breakout, then the next trend line could be relevant around $183. In terms of bullish counts, the green count suggests that we had a wave 1 and a wave 2 here. That's what that wave 2 stands for. That was the September low. The move up, however, was not in 5 waves, so it could, however, be a 3-wave move in wave A of 3, therefore a diagonal pattern. The structure of this wave 1 up is a bit uncertain, but it's clearly not an impulse here, the move up from the September low. Then this would be a B wave pullback, and we could be working on wave C to the upside now. And then we could get another 4-5 pattern and we go higher from there, right? However, in the yellow count reminds us we might test support once more. That's easily possible, even if we get a fake out. You know, it could be, it just goes to 163 and breaks down again. Therefore, the support area is not changing at the moment. I'll leave it where it is. Because what could easily happen is that this was a wave W, an X wave, and now we're forming a Y wave, which is an A, B, C. But the B wave can overshoot slightly. So that's why I'm talking about a sustained breakout that we need to see here. So it means at the moment nothing changes. I think as we're heading into the new week, the $162 level is important. But just because we get a short breakout, it doesn't mean we are already really breaking out. Okay, there might be an attempt. But it takes, ideally, even a confirmation of that level from above, like a reset, yeah? Not a reset, a retest to confirm that further. So something like that, breaking out, retesting, taking out that high to confirm further. It's actually a sustained breakout, yeah? So that's what I'm watching for on the Solana chart. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.